In this video, I will show you how to copy Excel sheet to another Excel file with same layout and format. So right click here and click on move or copy. Here guys you will see the option to book one or new book. To make it copy and click here create a copy and click on OK. So now you have two books with same format. This is the book 1 and book 2. Similarly, you want to create the sheet copy of this file. So right click here, move or copy, and here click on create, and here you need firstly create a new sheet here. So it will appear like this one. We have this sheet number 2. Now same move or copy and select the sheet number 2 and create a copy. Click on OK. And here select in book 1 or in book 2. So in book 1 it will create the copy with the same format. So two sheet with the same data. So this is the way guys you can try to create copy without losing the format in Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.